This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in South Richmond. Today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, renovated ranch-style home. This home is located here in a block of other ranch-style homes built in the mid-50s. And we are conveniently located here to the shopping and major commercial corridor here in Southside. This is definitely a home that is priced for the first-time buyer, or if you're downsizing, want a nice renovated home, this home might be right for you. Here in the past 48 hours, we have had a whirlwind of activity here in the United States. So much has happened related to the coronavirus, and schools are closed. We have all types of venues closing. People's jobs are shifting. Unfortunately, some people are going to be out of work as a result of this, depending on the type of work that you do. Some people are going to be working at home. There's all types of uncertainty. And of course, if you do have children, schools being closed is going to create a whole new dynamic that you didn't have just a few days ago. The mindset that I have is I'm going to respect this virus, but I'm not going to live in fear of it. And when I say respect it, what I mean is I'm going to take the precautions. I'm going to do the things the experts are saying to do. I'm going to wash my hands a little bit more frequently. I'm going to take those precautions, but I'm not going to go to 5 different stores looking for a case of toilet paper. I'm not going to live my life like that. I just refuse to do that. I'm going to go about my daily activities. This is the 3rd video I think I've done in 3 days. I'm going to step up the activity because I'm going to continue to do what I love to do. And I challenge you to do that as well. Aside from the health aspects of the disease, we've got the financial impact. And one of the things that I wanted to share with you was that sometimes the best defense is a great offense. And what I mean by that is, do you have enough money to get you through if you were to lose your income for 2 weeks, for 4 weeks, for 8 weeks? That might be something to think about. If you don't have that type of money saved up, would it make sense to have multiple streams of income? And multiple streams of income is just simply a fancy way of saying a side hustle. In today's world, everyone should have some type of side hustle. And I don't care what it is. It could be internet related. There are so many ways to make money right there from your PC, even your phone, your desktop, laptop, anywhere there's a signal, you should be able to utilize that. Just the mere fact that you're watching me now on Facebook or YouTube means obviously you've got some of that technology at your fingertips. There are so many ways to make money. Some of them are real estate related, but they don't have to be. I'm not going to go into all of those possibilities, but I just wanted to share that if you can have that additional stream of income, use it to pay down debt, to put a little money aside, then imagine how much less stress you would have in your life when unexpected events like this happen. It would just go a long, long ways to helping make life a little easier. Okay, as we can see, this house, we've got an opening here. This home was not originally built with this open floor plan, but I think it works very well. We're open to the kitchen. We've got high definition laminate. Our appliances do convey. Those are stainless steel and good looking cabinets. Your refrigerator would go right there. So great looking floor plan. Wood floors or laminate throughout. Here in the kitchen, this is a laminate, but through the rest of the home, I believe they are the original wood floors. We've seen this floor plan before where you have this door off of the dining area. The reason for this is this could double as either a dining room or a bedroom. It does have a closet, and we do have privacy here, so it would be appraised as a legitimate 3-bedroom home. Very, very smart design. We've seen that before. We're going to go through this door. We're back, of course, now in the hallway. Our family room is right there. Directly ahead is going to be our renovated full bath. The agent that owns this home is an agent in my office, and he was kind enough to allow us to come through. He says that he's a subscriber. I think he's a lurker, because I think today's the first time I knew that he actually was a subscriber and was checking me out here on YouTube. Okay, he did a great job here in this tub, in this bathroom area. I approve of the shower head. We make a right here and go back to our second bedroom. We do have a linen closet right there, and this is going to be bedroom number 2. There is plenty of grant money available for first-time buyers. I say this quite often, but it's free money, y'all. There are people that are willing, companies, nonprofits that are willing to give you free money to help you buy your first home. The way I do it, you need hundreds of dollars to get in, not thousands. So if you have the appropriate credit score, then we can make this happen for you. We've got 200 amp electrical. This is the same electrical service they would put in a brand new home. So no worries there as far as the electrical service. This is going to be our master. This is our master bedroom. Good size, good looking home. This home is ready to go. The other great thing about buying a house like this is if things come up on the home inspection, we can typically get the seller to take care of them for us. We can't do that on a foreclosures. Foreclosures, while you still have a home inspection, the house is typically as is. Okay, if you can see yourself quarantined here, be sure to give me a call. My name is Max Williams. It would be my honor to help you on this or any of the other 4,200 homes available here in Central Virginia. I've got the key to all of them and get you in. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. Can reach you on Facebook, under Richmond Area Foreclosures on YouTube, under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Be safe, be careful. Have a great day.